Picture this, a community that does not farm, does not raise animals, does not build permanent homes, and yet, they survive in harmony with one of the toughest environments in East Africa. According to anthropologists, the Hadza of northern Tanzania are one of the world's last surviving hunter-gatherer societies, living a lifestyle that may reflect how humans lived thousands of years ago. Today on Truthline Africa, we explore how they survive with no farms, no livestock, and no permanent settlements, and why their way of life still works. Stick with us because every 2 to 3 minutes the story deepens. The Hadza, sometimes called the Hadza, live near Lake Eyasi in northern Tanzania. They number only a few thousand people. Yet their traditions attract researchers from across the world. What makes them unique is simple. They rely almost entirely on wild foods, berries, tubers, honey, and hunted meat. No crop fields, no herds, no fences, just pure connection with the land. How does a community survive this way in the 21st century? Let's find out. How they find food without farming. According to field studies, the Hadza diet shifts with the seasons. During the dry season, berries dominate. During the wet season, tubers and honey become abundant. Their survival strategy relies on deep ecological knowledge, passed down through generations. They know which root a child can eat, which tree hides sweet berries, which animal track leads to shade or water. This knowledge is their living map. The magic of the Honeyguide bird. Now here's one of the most fascinating parts. Hadza honey hunters cooperate with a wild bird known as the Honeyguide. According to researchers, the bird literally calls them, leading them to hidden beehives. The Hadza follow. They break into the hive. They take the honey, and they leave the wax for the bird. A partnership between humans and wildlife that may be thousands of years old. How do they survive without livestock? Let's go deeper. Why the Hadza don't keep livestock? Unlike neighboring tribes such as the Maasai or Datoga, the Hadza do not herd cattle, goats, or sheep. Why? Because constant movement protects the land and prevents conflict. Their philosophy is simple. Why tie yourself to animals that need water, grass, and constant care, when the land already provides everything? They move lightly. They leave minimal impact. And according to reports, they avoid disputes over grazing land because they don't need it. How they hunt without modern weapons. Hunting is done with handmade bows and arrows. Arrows are crafted with incredible detail, sometimes tipped with natural poison from plants. Tracking is taught early. Children learn footprints the way urban kids learn alphabets. Their tracking skill is so sharp that researchers say a Hadza hunter can read the ground like a book. But if they move constantly, where do they sleep? 11 to 1300 hours, no permanent homes. How they shelter. The Hadza build simple grass huts that can go up in under an hour. But here's the twist. They abandon them whenever needed. New berries somewhere else? They move. Better water sources? They move. Hunted too much in one area? They move again. This flexibility protects the environment, ensuring no place becomes overused. It is sustainability in its purest form. Social life and community. Hadza camps are small, usually 20 to 30 people. There is no chief, no political hierarchy. Decisions are made by discussion and general agreement. Every adult is respected. Every voice counts. According to anthropological research, children grow up in a warm, communal environment where learning happens by imitation, not pressure. But if they don't store food, how do they survive bad seasons?
It brings a new day with a new opportunity for the Hadzebe to hunt. For the Hadza,
surviving droughts and hard times. The Hadza rely on species that survive even in harsh seasons. One of their strongest survival tools is the tuber. an underground plant rich in water and calories. Even in drought, tubers remain. They also maintain diverse food sources, so no single shortage can collapse their system. Scientists often describe their diet as one of the most balanced natural diets on Earth. Navigating modern pressures. According to reports, tourism, land pressure, and climate change are affecting Hadza territory. Some groups have received land rights protections, but challenges remain. Despite this, many Hadza continue practicing their traditional lifestyle, choosing freedom over settlement. But can they continue this way forever? 19 to 2100 hours, adaptation without losing identity. Younger Hadza sometimes explore nearby towns, but many return saying they prefer the freedom of the bush. Some communities mix modern tools, like metal arrowheads or sandals, while keeping hunting and gathering at their core. Their identity remains strong. What the world learns from them. Researchers study the Hadza to understand human evolution, natural diet patterns, ancient social structures, environmental harmony. Their lifestyle teaches a powerful message. Take only what you need, leave the land better than you found it. A principle that could guide the whole world. The Hadza survive without farms, livestock, or permanent homes because they have mastered balance, with nature, with community, and with themselves. Their story is not just about the past. It is about what humanity can still learn today. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay safe,